up to
Marine warning, Englewood to Tarpon.
Seas 3 to 5 feet, occasionally to 6 feet, building to 5 to 7 feet, occasionally to 9 feet. Wave detail, rest 5 feet at 4 seconds. Coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Tampa Bay waters. Waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles until 11:15 a.m. At 10:11 a.m., a broken line of showers were located from the old Tampa Bay to 50 nautical miles southwest of Venice Inlet, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Intact. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Terracea Bay, DeFi Reef, Manapee Nearshore Reef, Howard Franklin Bridge, Longboat Key, Venice Inlet, Cockroach Bay, MD1 Reef, M7 Reef, Anna Maria Island, M8 Reef, M17 Reef, Pascagoula Channel, Southwest Channel, D6 Reef, M1 Reef, Tampa Bay, Hillsborough Bay, M6 Reef, and M9 Reef. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Your coastal waters forecast for the following marine location: coastal waters from Tarpon Springs to Swanee River, out 20 to 60 nautical miles. Issued at 10:01 a.m. Small craft advisory in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. This afternoon, northwest winds 20 to 30 knots with gusts up to 35 knots early. Then diminishing to 15 to 20 knots with gusts up to 25 knots late. Seas 3 to 5 feet, occasionally to 6 feet, building to 5 to 7 feet, occasionally to 9 feet.